Very warm welcome indeed to Titanic Belfast for the 2024 Northern Ireland Plumbing and Heating Awards here in the wonderful surroundings of this beautiful building. We're here to celebrate the outstanding achievements and innovation in our local industry, recognising the incredible contributions from everyone here in this room.
We'd like to take a moment to recognise our special charity tonight, NIPANC, the Northern Ireland Pancreatic Cancer Society.
To our headline sponsor, Flowgas.
The one and only, Lemacrat.
We really have got an exciting lineup of awards ahead, so let's get started.
Please put your hands together, stamp your feet as we present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Michael Nugent of Nugent.
Many, many congratulations to all our award winners here this evening and indeed our finalists.
Good night, God bless, thank you.
Thank you so much, good night.